from WO Kidney here. I've been working with people suffering from kidney problems for almost 10 years now, and I can tell you for sure that when you beat anemia, you're not just going to feel a lot better, you're also going to help repair your kidneys. This is why today I want to share with you the best foods, tips and remedies to manage and treat anemia naturally. Because anemia is not just caused by kidney disease, it's also known to damage the kidneys. And it's a vicious circle you need to stop. And not many people know this, including doctors, unfortunately. But the sooner you start treating anemia, the better the chances are your kidneys are going to improve. Yes, taking care of anemia is one of the most effective ways to slow down kidney disease and, in some cases, to lower creatinine levels.
Oh yes!
If you have symptoms such as fatigue, dizziness, headaches, sensitivity to cold, and shortness of breath when doing simple tasks, the most probably culprit is anemia. This is because anemia is one of the most common complications of CKD, and yet a good portion of doctors are still going by old standards and ignoring it. Don't do this mistake. Never let anemia go untreated if you care about your kidneys. This is why today we are going to see the best foods, tips and remedies to get rid of anemia effectively. Don't miss our number one, because this food is one of the best plant sources of iron in existence. And it also helps with blood pressure and blood sugar levels. Don't miss it. Yes, it's a fact that for many patients, improving the diet is enough to increase hemoglobin and red blood cells production significantly and to feel a lot better. So let's see first some of the best kidney-friendly foods to fight anemia. Number 5 foods that you should always eat if you suffer from anemia include spinach. Spinach is one of the best foods in the world when it comes to fighting anemia. It is one of the best plant-based sources of iron. But spinach also contains significant amount of vitamin C, which is key to absorb said iron. And I know that spinach often show up on the do not or limit foods lists of some websites regarding the renal diet because of potassium content. But 1 cup of spinach only contains around 170 milligrams of potassium, which is not that bad given the benefits this superfood has. So consult your doctor if you have any doubts about spinach and find a way to include it in moderation in your diet. Consider also that eating spinach regularly has also been associated with lower blood pressure in people with kidney problems. Another food that we absolutely must consider is Swiss chard. This leafy green is a bit less rich in iron than spinach, but it also contains less potassium and a lot of vitamin C. And this green is not only loaded with nutrients, it's also full of anthocyanins. These antioxidants are known to improve cholesterol levels and blood sugar metabolism, 2 of the main risk factors for kidney disease. Another food you should always consider in a renal diet: oats. Oats are very healthy and very rich in iron. I know that some CKD patients in the advanced stages prefer to avoid oats due to their phosphorus content, but according to studies, that may be a mistake. This superfood is so healthy and rich in nutrients, its consumption has been linked to improve serum albumin in CKD patients. Guys, it's not common to find foods that can directly improve kidney function and nutritional status as effectively as oats. The only problem: oats don't have any vitamin C, so be sure to eat them at the same time as a source of vitamin C such as strawberries, kiwis, or lemon. One more food you should consider: green beans. While many legumes are rich in iron, great for anemia, they usually also come with too much protein for a renal diet. Protein is known for directly damaging the kidneys in people with CKD. But green beans have a lot less protein than other legumes, and they also come with significant health benefits. The legumes are full of antioxidants including vitamin C, flavonols, quercetin, and camphorol. These antioxidants fight free radicals in the body and help with anemia and kidney health. Guys, let's take a look at this slide now. These are some of the best foods in the world to fight anemia in people with kidney problems. The trick here is to eat foods rich in iron such as spinach, kale, Swiss chard, beet greens at the same time as a food rich in vitamin C such as kiwi, lemon, strawberry, and more. Doing this regularly will provide your body with enough iron and will make it bioavailable. This will make all the difference in the world. And this is just the first tip to fight anemia. Other tips include tips to fight anemia. Talk to your doctor. This is very important. If you suspect you have anemia because you have one or more symptoms, don't wait. Get checked. Your doctor will probably order a complete blood count or CBC test. It's an easy and reliable way of diagnosing anemia and the very first step toward a treatment that works. And also, supplement L-carnitine. Supplementing this nutrient may have incredible benefits for you. It's approved by the FDA as an anemia treatment because this natural compound is involved in the energy metabolism of the body. It really helps with anemia, but it can also fight inflammation and lower your blood pressure up to 10 millimeters of mercury. Yes, L-carnitine is really wonderful for kidney health. I've talked more in depth about it in my video up here if you want to know more. Also very useful against iron deficiency is iron cast cookware. This skillet is the best friend of people with kidney problems because when you cook, especially with acidic seasonings such as lemon or vinegar, some metal from your pot or skillet will leach into your food. Now, when you are using iron cast cookware, what will leach is precious iron, something you will otherwise need to supplement. Just remember to use lemon abundantly when you cook with one of these. And also, consider a probiotic supplement. Studies have shown that one specific probiotic called Lactobacillus plantarum 299V increases iron absorption from both food and from iron supplements. And also supplement iron if appropriate, but be careful. Iron supplements can be a lifesaver in some cases and can be dangerous in other cases. Some people have too much iron, which is a problem. Others do not metabolize it and need a different mode of administration. So be sure to consult your doctor and only take a supplement if your doctor prescribes it to you. Okay guys, as we can clearly see from the tips and foods of today's video, vitamins are crucial when fighting both anemia and kidney disease. And while some people take a multivitamin and hope for the best, it won't usually be enough when anemia is present. Wait, why a multivitamin is not enough, you may ask? There are two reasons. First is the dosage. Vitamins in a multivitamin are low doses that won't give you trouble if you take them daily. But when one or more vitamins are too low in the body, which is common in anemia and CKD, multivitamins aren't good enough to raise these levels. Second problem is absorption. There is one last tip you should always follow when taking vitamins and supplements needed for anemia. It's following the correct schedule. For example, if you take vitamin C or iron supplements at the same time of your morning coffee, you are not going to absorb the precious nutrients. On the other hand, taking the right vitamins at the right time can be a lifesaver. There are 4 vitamins in particular that can literally save your life if you have anemia and CKD. Let's see them. Number 3, life-saving vitamins. First life-saving vitamin is B9 or folate. Folate is involved in the production of red blood cells, and people with kidney problems really need more red blood cells to fight anemia. A deficiency in this vitamin can directly cause anemia and kidney damage. But as I was saying, foods and multivitamins are often not enough. Fact: kidney disease patients in stage 3 who took 0.8 milligrams folate, which is 2 times the RDA for this vitamin, had a significant slower progression of kidney disease. Yes, this vitamin can directly slow down kidney disease, especially in those with anemia. Another key vitamin is vitamin B12, also known as cobalamin. It's the energy vitamin, and it's also another crucial vitamin to fight anemia and lower creatinine levels. B12 is really important because it works together in the body with folate to create red blood cells, but so many people are deficient in this one. Especially those following a plant-based or vegan diet will never get enough vitamin B12, as this is only present in animal foods. Now, raising vitamin B12 levels through supplementation is also not the easiest thing to do. Some people need to take high doses of this vitamin sublingually, others to inject it. The other vitamin needed to make iron in the body is B6. Not to mention vitamin C, which is the most supplemented vitamin in the world for more than one reason. Vitamin C is crucial for iron absorption, especially when you are getting this iron from plant-based sources. Now guys, considering how crucial these vitamins are for kidney health, I've made a full video about them. This video is up here if you want to know more. But guys, even more crucial than taking vitamins is when to take these vitamins. Let's see why. Number 2, time your meals and supplements. It's crucial to take the right supplement and to eat the right food at the right time when fighting anemia. So first of all, never take B vitamins in the evening. When you supplement B vitamins in the correct dose to fight anemia, they are going to have a noticeable effect on you. They will make you feel a lot more energized. This is why some people use B12 or a B group supplement as an alternative to coffee. So always take B vitamins in the morning. Same for vitamin D actually. But don't take vitamin C or iron in the morning if you drink coffee, tea or milk. These 3 morning beverages are known to block or interfere with vitamin C and iron absorption. This is also true for decaf, as the polyphenols found in coffee and tea are thought to be major inhibitors of iron absorption. So don't take iron nor vitamin C when you drink coffee, tea or milk. This is also true for foods rich in vitamin C and iron. Never eat them at the same time as foods or beverages that block iron absorption. These include coffee or tea, eggs, foods high in oxalates, and foods high in calcium. Okay, time to see our number 1 now. This is a superfood that's an even better source of iron than spinach, and it's known for its kidney healing properties. Just don't eat it during the day. I'm talking about number 1, spirulina. This is a favorite food for people with anemia because it is one of the best plant sources of iron in existence. It also contains many of the vitamins someone with kidney problems and anemia needs the most, including vitamin B1, B3 and B6, but also folic acid, vitamin C, vitamin D and more. Incredibly healthy! And guys, if you want to see what happens to your kidneys when you eat spirulina every day, this video up here is for you. And this is all for today. Thank you for watching.